Welcome to Turn.io. My name is Raquel. I work as a technical support, and today we'll see how to send reminders. So go to your reminders page, and you see the first page here, the dashboard of all your reminders and the status of the reminder selected. Now let's add a reminder. Here in the first section, you have already presetted groups, like segments of your contacts, new, active, and inactive. This is based on the last message received and sent of your contacts. And here you see the segments and all the segments that you can create. It will also appear here in this section. It's also possible to use custom rules right away using the filters, the same ones that you will find on your people page. So let's say that I want to send a reminder to myself, just as an example. I can use the name, for example, and here I am. So using the filters here on this page will not create a segment. This needs to be done on the people page. But this is pretty straightforward to send a message, broadcasting message to your customers. Now here we have account information. This section on your right panel here, it's fetching all the information from your Facebook Business Manager account. So you can see the quality rating, the number status connected, and your message limit. This is the current limit that this number is, but it is possible to increase the number of customers that you can reach out in 24 hours. Please click on the article below and check how to increase the message limiting. You can also see the conversations that you have on your account and top up if necessary. Now let's select a message template. You see that if I select a template that has variables, I will need to enter the contact profile fields related to it. Let me choose one. This one, for example, we have 3 different placeholders for variables, for profile fields that I want to use to personalize this content. So I can add a net and the profile field name. So let's say that I want to use name here. This is how you can select your profile fields. Then you can go to the next option, that is schedule or send right away your message. Once this is done, you can go and name your campaign, your reminder. So this is just my test. And then send the reminder. You see that you can continue to work while our background job will send all the messages to your contact list. All right, the status is in progress. And once this is sent, you see the results here in the right panel. So you see how many contacts, the processed errors that it can have. And here is the send rates, delivered, and read rates related to this specific test. All right, let's go to people page. I want to show you here how to create a segment. This is pretty straightforward. So let's say that I want to create a segment using just my name, just to show you the same sample. So here is where you can define the filters that will compose your segment, and then save as a segment. You can add a description and organize it by colors. And that's it. Once you have a segment ready, you'll be able to then select here on your reminder page. That's it. My last reminder was sent and it was delivered. I hope you enjoy this feature and please send us feedback. Bye-bye.